Let's proceed further. This question reads, in order to find the depth of the sea, a ship sends out a sound wave and receives an echo after 1 second. So if the velocity of sound in water is 1500 meters per second, what is the depth of the sea? So let's begin to extract the triune parameters. You agree with me that three things are common here. So let's begin. The first is in order to find the depth. So, and we are giving 1 second to be our time. Okay? Then the second parameter is the velocity, which is 1500 meters per second. Then we are asked to find the depth, which is the same thing as distance, is unknown. So you can see the triune components here given. So learn this for better understanding. So using V is equal to 2D over T, what are we going to have by substitution? We'll now have 1500. 1500 is equal to 2 times D over 1. So from here we can cross multiply. Are you with me? So that you still have back your 1500. 1500. Let's indicate that cross multiplying 1500 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2D. Okay? So that 1500 multiplied by 1, you know, to give you back your 1500 is equal to 2D. So let's divide through by 2. Are you following? So that our D will equal 1500 divided by 2 is 750 meters. Now, some of these questions you might be asked to leave your answer in kilometers. So this will give us 0.75 kilometers. Are you here? Now, for you to achieve this, you will divide 750. Okay? If you divide 750 by 1000, okay, you will achieve this to give you this answer that you are seeing. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.